Right, I've come over to the Pacific Cycle stand right next to the test track, and I'm meeting up with Kwan, who's got a very nice, exciting bike to show me. What's this bike and what does it do?
Today we're launching the IF mode to the UK. It's a British design and it's a folding bike that you can sort of wheel around, and it converts into a full-size bike.
You blink, you missed that.
Yes, yeah, you want to see it again?
Yeah, please, because I blinked.
The way you fold it is...
Yeah?
Yeah, and you can wheel it up or down, and to unfold it, simply twist it.
I love it.
You have a full-size bike.
Nice. Can I have a play on it?
Absolutely.
Right. So, is it as simple as riding any normal bike? Are there any little bits that I should...
No, brakes.
Brakes and that's it? Okay. Wish me luck. Woo! I haven't actually been on a bike since I was 5 years old, and that was a My Little Pony bike with stabilisers. Do I get disqualified if I come off the track at any point? I am going around the track the wrong way, but it's actually an easy bike to control. Woo! Come on, Mr. Camera Keeper! Woo! You know what? Considering that this is a folding bike, it's really easy to ride. It doesn't feel heavy. You know, the brakes are easy to use. I think I could probably see myself trading in the car and picking up a bike around the streets of Birmingham. Woo! That was great fun. If you're coming down to the show, I highly recommend coming down to the test track. Check out this bike, it's pretty awesome.